I have a question for you. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, right there. Do you know what it takes to build a luxury premium business model? That's okay if you don't. But if you want to know, go ahead and grab that pen and grab that pad because I have something that you don't want to miss. I'm Neferteri Plessy, and I am the founder of Elevated Strategist. At Elevated Strategist, we combine luxury, media, and business. And this is where they all meet. All right, so the first thing I want you to ask yourself when you are going about creating your premium or luxury business model is, what do you really, really want? Not what you think someone wants you to say or what you thought you may have wanted from 5 years ago, but what do you truly want right now? That's the first thing that you need to ask yourself. And the reason that you need to ask yourself this is that most of us, when we go about creating a brand or a business, we want it to make sense, right? And we want it to make sense sometimes for the people who are not even our ideal client or our customer. And so I want you to go ahead and release anything that's getting in your way of actually communicating what you truly want. The next question I want you to ask yourself is, in your wildest dreams, what does your life look like? Okay? Now, this is a lifestyle context question. The reason why I want you to figure out what do you want your life to look like versus how much money you want to make or what type of status you want to have is that sometimes we equate a dollar amount to who we are or what we do or how we do it, and we compare and contrast what someone else is making or what's in their bank account when that's none of our business. What we want to know, which is actually our business, is what do you want your dream life to look like, right? Imagine it. Take a deep breath and just really feel it. Know that you want it, claim it, and then that brings us into question number 3. Question number 3 is, do you know what this dream costs? Now, some of us may be saying to ourselves, well, I just created the dream, or yeah, of course I know what my dream costs. Now, I'm not just talking about dollar amount, okay? What does the dream cost? What are you willing to give up to fully step into your dream? The dream that you know you've always wanted, right? Even if today is the first day you actually discovered it, it is something embedded in you that you've always wanted. Maybe someone told you, you can't have that. Stop dreaming. Don't be a dreamer. Don't step outside the box. Stay in your lane, right? You've been told all these different commentaries or these different jargon messages, and you are not a jargon message. So when we get into the all-encompassing vibration of our dream and we step into our dream fully, I really want you to get into this rhythm of what is it going to cost, right? Is it going to potentially cost someone that should no longer be in your life? Do you have a habit that you need to kick loose? Is there something that you're perpetuating in your life that is no longer serving you? Okay? All right, so we've gone over those top 3 questions to ask yourself when you're building that luxury premium business model, right? To get that brand that you want that is going to bust through the seams. And I want in the comments below, okay? I want you to really just take it there. Share your answers with me. Let me know what's on your mind. What are you discovering? Does it make you feel scary? Does it make you want to jump out of your skin? Does it make you say, hell yes, Neferteri, this is what I've been waiting on. And today is your day because I give you full-blown permission to have exactly what you want. I'm Neferteri Plessy with Elevated Strategist, and I'll see you next time.